So guys, they released the new Fuji X100 Mark VI. It's another Fuji that I will not purchase. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. And today, yes, we're following up of all these camera tests and release of the new Fuji, for which, of course, I've not been invited, but honestly, I don't care because I never had such an important Fuji camera in my life. I only had like a compact or a bridge camera, if I don't remember wrongly, and honestly, APSc X-trans sensor, yes, that would be a very good camera, despite it's nothing exciting, because basically it has everything that you want to have in 2024 in a camera, but it doesn't add anything. I don't think it has that certain something apart from the hybrid EVF, OVF. This is some art we have here in Vancouver downtown. And I was saying that hybrid EVF, they finally moved the production internally. So they moved the production from Japan to China. So with these iterations, they might be able to fulfill all the orders, because for the version 5 X100V, they had so many orders, they could not fulfill the orders they had. And so as a matter of fact, there were people waiting to get that camera for months, and some of them never got it. And so with this one, things might be different. And with this one, you will also have a good IBIS, AF recognition, tracking, the same one that is in the Fuji X-H2. So it's overall a good camera, despite it's mocking, it's a little bit of a X-T5 with a new cosmetic changes and with a new dress. Apart from that, guys, I think it's definitely gonna be a great camera. Now, I don't have the chance to try it because I'm not in contact with Fuji yet. I will probably go to my loyal smuggler and see if I can at least touch it, if not take it for a spin. But I'm sure that the results coming from that, I mean, that camera will allow you to do almost everything that you will do with other cameras. So basically, I can have the same shooting experience and the same photos that I was taking with my Leica Q2 with the Fuji instead, because that 23mm f2 on an APSc sensor is comparable to different focal lengths and to portable cameras. And what about the price? The price is the most exciting part, because it comes for a steal. Basically a couple hundreds more than what you would pay for the Sony RX100VII, which I admire and I'm impressed by it because it has so many capabilities inside the camera, but it's a premium compact compared to an APS-C fixed lens. And so basically you're spending the same for that Sony or for this Fuji, and you will gain a bit here because you will have an APS-C sensor rather than the 1 inch you're having on the Sony, and you're losing something because Sony functions when it comes down to video, AF, so on and so forth, it's far better. Couple of things that are still puzzling my mind: why only one SD card, and why it is hybrid EVF, OVF, which is great, but I'm quite sure that I would always use it as an EVF. Don't ask me why. I think the OVF, the hybrid version, it's good, but not good enough if you want to use it for work. And so if you want to have a professional use of this camera, then you will need the second SD card slot and many other things. Anyway, IBIS, face recognition, good battery life, good glass, aggressive price, it's set to be a success, despite still I'm a bit bored. It's nothing new. I'm really looking forward to new iterations of cameras. I'm looking for something that is changing the way we shoot photography, because these new gadgets, these are just tools, and basically they don't represent you nor the way you are shooting. You will keep shooting the same photography you were shooting with version 5, now with version 6, and so yes, you have just a tiny bit of improvements here and there, but it's not life-changing at all. And of course, your technique is not impacted at all. The real difference is that you will need to find more time to take those beautiful photos and go out and shoot. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.